Hey everyone, Working Weston here. Today I'm going to show you how I roast garlic. It's so good, I eat it until I could smell it through my pores. With that being said, let's get to work. What you'll need are full heads of garlic. Fresher is better here because you want them to be juicy. You don't want them to dry out during roasting. Some tin foil, salt, olive oil, and a baking sheet. The first step is to set your oven to 425 degrees. While the oven's preheating, take your heads of garlic and chop off the top 1/4 inch. Next step is to wrap them in tin foil. For now, just leave the tops open. Grab your favorite type of oil and drizzle it in liberally. Salt to taste. Now you can go ahead and wrap the tops up and throw them onto a baking sheet. Pop them in the oven and set the timer to 50 minutes. Once 50 minutes is up, take them out and they're done. Let them cool for a bit because they'll be really hot. When you unwrap them from the foil, you should expect to see slightly caramelized garlic that is squishy to the touch. I like eating them as is, but you could use them in your recipes, you could spread them on toast. If you want to store them in the fridge, they're good to go. Leave them wrapped in the foil and just throw them in. I hope you enjoyed this straightforward how-to video. Hit like if you like garlic and subscribe if you're a vampire. You can also find my live streams on Twitch at Working Weston. With that being said, I gotta get back to work. So much better than the intro.